Completely wrong hallway. Pretty good. What's up, MWG family? Welcome to today's vlog. Alright, good thing the bench didn't shake and my phone fell. But today we are going to Disney World. Yes, another amusement park. And yes, I haven't addressed it yet, but yeah, I got a haircut. Thank you, airplane, for going over and landing in Miami Airport at 7:30 a.m. before the sunrise. Thank you very much. Gotta let that pass, gotta let that pass. But yes, over the next 4 days, it's my spring break and we're going to Disney World, and I am going to try to do the difficult task. Yes, it's actually very difficult to do daily vlogging. We're going to Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and maybe Animal Kingdom. We're staying at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. I'm excited for that. I've never stayed there. Have no idea what it's like, and I think we got like the VIP experience, so we can get all the food we want. That's gonna be pretty cool. But as you could already tell, we got the beautiful pink colors behind me, and the sunrise is rising in about 10 minutes, and it's already good enough light so I can make my intro and then get my time lapse, which I'm doing right now. But you know what? The day's looking promising, even with a 4-hour drive to Orlando ahead. I'm in the middle of all this wonderful fog on this beautiful Sunday morning with the sunrise to start my daily vlogging trip. But for the time being, while the sun is still rising, I gotta go pack because we're leaving in an hour. I gotta pack up all my electronics. You know, that's always a hassle. You gotta make sure you're packing everything. Especially, I can't miss an SD card, an adapter, just a USB to a USB-C adapter, batteries, chargers. You know, you gotta bring the whole variety of stuff, and you can't forget a single thing. And trust me, this is the last clip from the park. I get to play one more game of Fortnite. Psych, because there's mobile Fortnite, but I mean, that was a video I covered a couple vlogs ago. Man, my tripod just dropped again. There's just an issue with the tripod lately. But still, mobile Fortnite isn't that good. The graphics are pretty garbage and the software controls pretty bad. I'm waiting for them to allow wireless controllers to connect to the app. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm now all packed up and ready to leave the MWG studio, say goodbye to my nice foam pads, and head to Orlando, the 4-hour drive. Look at that, welcome home.
Oh,
Alright, well, we gotta look inside.
what is this? What is this?
Oh, that was pretty professional. We're officially in Animal Kingdom Lodge. Gotta stay quiet, because you know, people might be sleeping. Come on, I got the magic pass right here. Gotta scan it. Oh, we're right. What? It's blinking green. Wait, let me figure this out. It's so hard with an Apple Watch. Maybe I should wear it on my other wrist. What in the world? It just blinked green, I'm not even kidding. Never mind, I realize it's 44:15. This is in my room. Completely wrong hallway. Pretty good. And this is the room right here. Alright, now we can scan it. Alright, we're in the room. We gotta go see the view.
Did you get that on video?
No, sadly I didn't. They scared me. Oh, look at that view. Is that an antelope?
It's yellow taupe. I say you just jump off.
We're in Wakanda right now.
You ready? Don't do it.
Ooh, that's one. You're destroying the habitat of the cantaloupe. It took us 30 minutes to see a giraffe, but wait, I can't even see a giraffe on the camera. I have to look up. The giraffe's right there. You see that long neck right there? That's a giraffe. But I want to see like 500 giraffes, not just one. Right now, I'm kind of a little disappointed. Look, all over, you got some antelopes. But with our stay here, we're kind of in like the VIP section. So at any time, we have access to a whole variety of foods at different times. Look, at 3 to 4 is tea, 5 to 7 some nice appetizers, 8 to 10 is desserts. Right now it's some chips and cookies. 7 to 10 is some nice pastries, probably bagels, etc., bacon hopefully, and then 6:30 is some coffee. So far the food for the snacks was pretty good, but I can't wait to see the appetizers.
didn't scare me.
Boo!
I'm smart, so you know. Oh, I was gonna punch Chris if he was there.
Just look how convenient this is. On your wrist. Bam, that's it. But that right there is the Animal Kingdom Lodge. But today is just a good old boring travel day. Nothing much to do. But right now we're about to go to ESPN Worldwide Sports. We're gonna go to one of those like sports places there where we can eat food, you know, and most importantly, watch the Elite Eight between Kansas and Duke. 1 seed Kansas and 2nd seed Duke. My brackets are completely busted, and I can't believe Loyola Chicago, the team that beat Miami by a buzzer beater, just by a buzzer beater, is going to the Final Four. So just that buzzer beater changed everything. Just one last thing before we watch Duke versus Kansas. This whole hotel has some African artifacts all over the place, and it's pretty well decorated. I mean, just look at this. This feels like Wakanda because it's African, but also civilized, which is Wakanda in its definition. But tomorrow we're going to Magic Kingdom, and that's when all the fun starts. Today is just a travel day and March Madness Day. And today we went in the jacuzzi or hot tub, whatever you call it. I didn't bring the GoPro because that's for tomorrow. But I didn't even go in the pool yet. Maybe we could go in the pool maybe on the last day, but right now we haven't gone in the pool. And you gotta go to the pool on every hotel you go to. We're in the exclusive ESPN Club. Yeah, right there. For the Kansas versus Duke game, what's your prediction?
Kansas?
Kansas because it's the 1 seed? You're not gonna pick the upset? Grayson Allen?
No, Grayson Allen's a bullet.
Oh my, I'm going for Duke. They're probably gonna call timeout. Oh my, 13 seconds left. Going to overtime or buzzer beater. Grayson Allen, that's my boy. It's now going to overtime. Oh, throw for 3. Oh. And that is officially the game. Kansas is moving on to the Final Four.
You know why? Because he's a bully. Exactly. I knew what I was saying. Go back 30 seconds in the video. My prediction was I was picking Kansas because Grayson Allen was a bully. Bet. No, Grayson Allen's a bully.
And before I do the outro, isn't this just like the classic show like that is always playing for like the past 10 years? It's the exact same show preview of all the Disney parks. Let's roll it out to the outro. And we are now back at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. I really like this hotel. It's really nice and it's like a little Africa outside. But GG Duke, Kansas is going to the Final Four along with Loyola Chicago, who beat Miami in a buzzer beater. I just can't believe that. But at the ESPN restaurant, the waiter played Fortnite. We just got in a little conversation about Fortnite, and when we were leaving, he was like, "I'll see you on the battlefield." Not even kidding, that is exactly what he was like. "I'll see you on the battlefield." And then he was like, he has an Android, so he can't play Fortnite. So he was like, And then he said that his fellow waiter is a PUBG player, and he keeps on saying that Fortnite is worse than PUBG. And he was like, "No, Fortnite's better." And we were like, "Yeah, Fortnite's better. That's just my opinion." But I am very glad that we are in Orlando, and I can't wait for Magic Kingdom tomorrow, and then Epcot the next day after that. It's going to be a wonderful time here in Orlando. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you hit that bell icon to stay notified whenever I post a video. And, like the video to me. And then I'll see you tomorrow when we go to Magical Kingdom.